Hello and welcome to another update on AVAX. I'm here on the AVAX weekly chart, and we're still holding this support area around 1250 to 1675. It's a zone that the price has come back to a few times in this cycle. It's a zone where a lot of activity happened here around 1670 to 1250. Not necessarily only here, but you see this entire area. There was a lot of trading activity in this area. Yeah, let's just double check that on the VRVP chart indicator, a volume profile, and yeah, you see where this spike is. Obviously not comparable to all this down here, this volume, but here, exactly in this area, you see a spike. Quite interesting that Fibonacci support and this spike on the VRVP indicator, they align here. So this area then can provide some support, right? I mean, that's been the perspective. I just show you here what the relevant Fibonacci support zone is. And yep, the price reacted already 3 times. Is it more than a simple relief rally? Honestly, only time will tell. I'm not convinced by this reaction to the upside, but it is possible that we're starting a larger bounce from here. As always, the zone is typically the area where people would try to get positioned if they trade pullbacks. So we are already moving away from that zone, but honestly, just with very, very low and little momentum, actually, right? So the overall support zone remains unchanged. The VRVP is worth watching as well, but it kind of aligns perfectly with the support zone here on the larger time frame chart. And I mean, when we go up, what are the next levels really that matter? You know, what are the next levels? First of all, there is Fibonacci resistance I would pay attention to. This is just standard resistance here at $28.90, $33.90, and $42.50 for the next further, for further upside, an area to watch. And then you can also pay attention to this yellow trend line here. So if the price can get there once more, we're talking about potentially the area around $47 to $48. However, at the moment, AVAX is quite weak. So if we take a look at the short-term chart for AVAX, you can see here why I'm talking about this weakness. So this is just short-term support levels. You see the larger box below, and you see a smaller box here between $17.60 and $22.07. This is basically just a standard Fibonacci support zone here on the smaller time frame. Entirely possible the market starts the next move up, and that can take us to that yellow trend line. But please note, for now, yeah, there is not really a lot of upside momentum yet. What could be the case is that the market forms here a broader wave 1 and then A, B, C, and then we go higher from there. This is something I am watching here on the AVAX short-term chart. Entirely possible the wave 2 already bottomed, but honestly, this move to the upside is not really third wave quality yet. But once we get a break, a decisive break above $26.70, the low might be in. That's the update on AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, charts, and much more. You can find a lot of different chart updates, macro updates as well. Yeah, a lot of crypto research stuff. So news, memes, bring some humor. All of that can be found here. Sometimes even videos that you won't find on YouTube. So the link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.